Raise your hand if you don't own a serger or an overlock, or maybe you do own one and it just doesn't have the right color thread you need, and you only need to go a short distance on something very stretchy. So those of us with an overlock machine know that we should always know our stretch stitch options. And on the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 630, that means stitch number 18. So stitch number 18 we'll find right here. Kind of looks like a little lightning bolt stitch. We're looking at foot number 1A, which I've already put on the machine. Do engage your IDT, because you know when fabric goes through and it kind of goes under the foot, it kind of wants to get stretched out, but that IDT is going to help pull and make sure everything is fed into the machine nice and even. Then it doesn't come out all wavy. Now, if it does come out wavy, even with that technology here, there is on the side of your machine a dial. Peek over to the side and you'll notice that there is a 1, 2, normal, 4, and 5. So turning it to a 1 or 2 number would lessen the pressure of the foot. So this is a stitch that when you it's going to be like a regular seam when you sew. I'm going to just talk while it sews. It does take a little bit more time to sew this seam because it's doing just like this little tiny back and forth stitch, and that's what's going to allow it to be stretchable. Because if you don't, and you just use a regular stretch stitch, if you just use a regular straight stitch and you go and pull, it will not hold together. But look how pretty that is. So it is stretchable, so it's like an accordion when you see that little zigzag opening up, and it is the seam when you're done on your fabric. So if you're looking for a stitch to hold things together and plus have, I mean, look how far I'm able to stretch that fabric. That is the perfect stitch for knit fabric.